ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸಲು ನೆರೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇನ್ನೇಕೆ ತಡ? ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೂ, ಆಡಳಿತ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದುಗಳಾದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
A flag is a symbol of unity. A flag is a symbol of solidarity. The Cambridge flag, crisp, blue and white.
ಆರಂಭಿಸೋಣ. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಡಲು ಕೇಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಾದ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಶಂವರ ಪ್ರದಂ ಶ್ರೀವಾರಣ ಶಂವರ ಪ್ರದಂ ಶ್ರೀ ವಾತ ಬಿಗಣಪ ದಿಂಬಜೇ ಭೂತಾದಿಸಂ ಸೇವಿತ ಚರಣಂ ಭೂತಾದಿಸಂ ಸೇವಿತ ಚರಣಂ ಭೂತಾದಿಸಂ ಸೇವಿತ ಚರಣಂ ಭೂತಬೋಧಿಕಾ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವರಣಂ ವಿತರಾಗಿನಂ ವಿನುದಯೋಗಿನಂ ವಿಶ್ವಕಾರಣಂ ವಿಜ್ಞವರಣಂ ವಾದಾಭಿಗಣಪತಿಂ ಭಜೇಯಂ ವಾದಾಭಿಗಣಪತಿಂ ಭಜೇಯಂ ಪುರಾಕುಂಭಸಂ
Carmelite and a present Josephite pursuing her degree in psychology and journalism. She is the best example of us to win the title of the fastest woman in Asian Games. A huge round of applause on that. To hand over the greeting saplings to our chairman. I request Dr. Komla, Academic Coordinator, Cambridge Degree College, to hand over.
ಮನರಂಜಿಸುವ ಆಡುಗರ ಕೌಶಲಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರುವ ಸಂಘಟಿತ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ದೈಹಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯೇ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ. ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಸಂಕೇತ. ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನ ಬೆಳಕಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾದ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯು ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ವರ್ಷದ BBA ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರಣಿಲ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅವರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇವರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಉತ್ತರ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಶಟಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯು ನವೆಂಬರ್ 2024ರಂದು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ಸತತ 4 ರಿಂದ 5 ಗಂಟೆಯ ಸತತ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕವನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸಲು ತಯಾರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. ಈಗ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ PUC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯಾದ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಅತಿ ವೇಗದ ಓಟಗಾರ್ತಿ ಎಂದು ಎನಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಅಂಧಲ್ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಪತಾಕೆಯನ್ನ ಬಿಂಬಿಸುತ್ತಾ ರಾರಾಜಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
The students of Cambridge College solemnly pledge that we will take part in the annual athletic meet respecting the regulations which governs them, and with the desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our college and the glory of the sport.
Thank you, Council.
Good morning, everyone. I declare Creedotsava 24-25 now open.
ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಡಿಕೆನ್ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
A huge round of applause. May we have a huge round of applause for her. Thank you so much, dignitaries.
Teaching, non-teaching staff, and all the students present here today. I was actually prepared to say a lot of things, but seeing you standing in the sun, it's okay, I don't want to take so much time. I just want to tell a few things. So me, as a student, I was always a backbencher. I was always notorious. I was never like on time to class. Always, average student, very bad at studying. Language though never. So
Excellence. Today, we honor those who have given their best and made us proud with their outstanding achievements.
Now, I would like to welcome our beloved Shri D.K. Mohan, Chairman, Cambridge Group of Institution, to honor such outstanding Cambridgians. Harshit Pai, 1 Commerce E section, a dynamic sportsman, has represented President 11 in Under-16 Interzonal Cricket Tournament conducted by KSCA, Karnataka Cricket Association, and also participated Under-16 Vijay Merchant Trophy in November-December 2020-24, conducted by KSCA. Sanket BS, 2nd Commerce G section, a very energetic and dashing national level basketball player, represented India in South Asian International Basketball Tournament and also represented Department of Youth and Educational Sports DYES Karnataka, participated in Intercollegiate Athletic Meet 2024 and also represented Sports Authority of India. Sharat M, 1st PUC Science C section, a most young and bombastic fighter who makes all of us proud by participating in state level PU Board Taekwondo competition and secured 1st place and also selected for nationals. He also participated in national level Under-19 Taekwondo competition which held in Madhya Pradesh on December 2024. Chaitanya, 1st PUC Science A section, a versatile, unstoppable sportswoman who excels in Taekwondo, participated in PU Board district level Taekwondo competition, secured 1st place and also selected for state level. She also participated in state level Under-19 Taekwondo competition which held in Haveri and secured silver medal. Harshita Nag. Harshita Nag, second PUC Commerce G section, a spirited and disciplined player whose dedication sets a benchmark to others, participated in intercollegiate throwball competition which was held in RJSPU College, Kormangla, and also participated in Chikudu intercollegiate throwball competition. Congratulations to one and all.
I request all the students to give all the achievers, the PU students, once again with a great applause. Now, with a great pride, let us welcome the degree students. Pranil Rajesh from the second year BBA, a determined achiever who have fearless competition and who have never down from any challenges. Participated in BNU shuttle badminton competition, secured the first place and also selected for the nationals. Participated in all Indian national badminton competition which held in SRM University at Chennai, November 2024. Thank you, sir. Now, Harshita T, a graceful and tenacious athlete whose heart, a work and a commitment inspire us all from the second year BCom. And the third year BCom, the final year, participated in the BNU All Indian National Basketball Competition which was held in the Jain University. Participated in BNU Athletic Championship 2024-25 and secured the second place in the shot put. Sahana Ji from the final year BCom, a resilient and dynamic sports star who proves that persistence leads to victory. Participated in All Indian National Basketball Championship which was held in the Jain University and All Indian Nationals American Football Competition which was held in C College. A round of applause for all the achievers. Now, Jaishita K from the final year BCom. The relentless, passionate, proving that hard work always pays off. Participated in BNU Athletic Championship 2023-24, secured silver medal in 100 meters and also participated in BNU Athletic Championship 2024-25, secured second place in 100 meters and the fastest runner of the Cambridge College. Congrats. Navya M from the third year BCom, the energetic and the ever-inspiring a role model of dedication and the sportsmanship. Participated in the state level hockey competition and she is the captain of the Cambridge College throwball team and recognized as the best throwball player. Kudos. That the hard work, commitment and the passion have brought laurels to Cambridge PU and Degree College. They stand as an inspiration to us all. Let us celebrate their success and encourage them to reach even the greater heights. Kudos to all the achievers. Keep shining and keep making us proud. Thank you.
They are Principal Dr. Ashwini, PU College Principal Mr. Jeevan Babu and all the faculty members of this institution and my dear students. I saw some girls who are standing in the sun are falling. I think they did not have the break.
Ramya ako.
पुणे
occasion, giving us an exciting competition. Look at the speed, how rapidly that is going. I guess they're so chilled out that the exams are over and from Monday the college is going to commence. With the same josh, with the same speed, finally they're going to read. Look at Punit. Yes, Punit have just finally given the back. Look at Danish. Yes, Danish. Oh, yes, Shatan, come on. Look at the first year. Now let's process the second year versus the first year. Finally, Varun. Yes, Varun. Here goes Sahana, Roshni and Manasa. Look at the sprinters, do not change the track. Roshni, stay within the track. Yes, and Manasa, do not change the track. Stay within the track. History has finally reached the Sahana. Now comes the Sahana Mukeshi. Yes, Sahana Mukeshi and Ramya. Ramya, come on, reach. Do not stumble even if you stumble. Do not forget to reach the line. The victory is on here. Yes, Ramya, come on, reach. Now comes the real competition between the best friends, Lakshmi and Jaishika. Very close. Here at least you can prove your point. I'm not.
Jaishida.
Peace. The peace in the college.
Jaishida. Come on.
Yes, Jaishida. Good girl.
Do you guys report here?
Charan from VCA.
Varun, come on.
And Nikhil, come on. Charan, we have finally set the mark again. Yes, Varun. Set. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, Jaishida, come on. Jaishida versus Lakshmi and also overcome over here. Let's see. Jaishida.
Bhavya.
Finally. Now it started. Look at the way how the predators are trying to look for the prey. And what is their prey? The chairs is the prey for them.